Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. We're jumping right into this makeup look. I'm priming my eyes here with my MAC Pro Longwear Concealer, and we're jumping into that banana shade in that Anastasia palette, and we're going to set that concealer right now and start off with our eye look first. I'm going in with that Venetian red. You can choose any like pinky red shade you want. I'm using it as my transition color. I'm using a Morphe fluffy brush right here, and we're just going to blend it in, and we're going to use that as our first transition color for our eyes. Then I'm going in with a deeper red color. You can use any red color. I'm still in that Anastasia palette, and we're going to like just layer it, kind of like just layer it. I just want the color just to stand out a little bit more, so we're just going to blend that in. And we're just going to keep going with that, guys. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a purple shade that I got. I forgot the name of this shade, but it's a purple shade that's in a palette that I actually made up. And we're going to just pat this color just all in my outer lid part. And we're going to also bring it into the inner lid, and we're just going to pat it, because I'm trying to just build up the color, so that's why I'm just like patting it in. It's not kind of giving me what I want, but I'm going to continue to build it up and just pat it in with that fluffy brush. And now you're just going to see me blend. So now I'm cutting my crease. We're going to do like a halo eye here. And I'm putting in this turquoise shade from, I want to say it's an Anastasia shade that I bought a while ago. And we're just patting that color in. I forgot the name of it. It is a shimmery shade. Really good quality. I'm just patting it onto where I cut my crease out a little bit. And we're just going to pat it in just to build it up. And then we're just going to blend it out. And now we're just blending in that purple with that blue a little bit, just to kind of marry all the shades together. And we're just going to keep blending. Now we're going in with one of the Stila Magnificent, like glow and glitter, like liquid eyeshadows. And we're going in with this pretty color, I think it's Into the Blue. And we're just going to place that all over where we have the blue at. And I'm just going to put it all over that blue. I was thinking about just doing it in the middle of the blue, just to give it like a pop. But I love the color and the consistency of these liquid eyeshadows. They really go on really wet, so I'm trying not to blink, you know. But once they dry, they are not moving. I cannot wait to get a little bit more of those. I was unsure. Like, I'm like, do you blend it while they're still a little wet, or do you wait for them to dry? And I chose to blend it a little bit more while it was wet. I'm moving on to the face, and I'm going in with my Lancome Tint Idol Ultra 24-Hour Foundation. And I'm going in with the shade 530. This is my summertime shade. And looking at the camera, I can see that I can leave my summertime shades alone now. I'm losing my tan and getting back into my fall, my regular, you know, complexion, my normal complexion. So this would be the last time I use this, unless I mix it with something a little bit more yellow based. My Lancome foundation is, I love it. I do have oily skin, and it works really well with my oily skin. So I'm just going in and blending over everything with my beauty blender, just making sure everything is blended well. I'm going in, we're going to conceal, highlight. We're using the NARS. We're using Tarte Shape Tape, as in the color Deep. And we're just going to blend in everything and set everything, all the places we concealed and highlighted. I'm using my Sasha Buttercup Translucent Setting Powder. You can use any translucent setting powder to set your concealer. Setting my nose, my forehead, my under eye. And we're just going to dust everything away, all that translucent setting powder. So now we're just going to contour using our Fenty Beauty contour stick. And I'm using one of my favorite brushes to blend out my contour, guys. Y'all already know how I love this brush. We're going to just blend everything out. So now we're just going in and blending out that nose contour. And we're just going to fix these brows up a little bit. We're just going to use the transition shades that we used on our eyes, and we're just going to buff that into our outer, our lower lid. We're using the pink all over the bottom lid, and then we're just going to use that purple towards the end. I'm going in with my Estee Lauder mascara just to prep my eyes for lashes, and we have on the Lily lashes in Havana. I really like these lashes too, a lot. And we're going in with a brown lip liner at first, and then I'm going in with Milani Naked lipstick, and I'm just topping it off with a gloss. And this is the finished look, guys. I hope you guys like it. Thank you for watching, guys. I'll see you soon.